Hey everyone, welcome to the last day of Halloweek. Today I'm going to be doing my Halloween nails. You guys have been staring at these nails for the past couple days. Maybe you guys were wondering how I did it. Maybe you guys didn't care. If you didn't care, then bye, I'll see you next year for Halloweek. But yeah, today you get to see how I did them. So let's get started. As you all know, I do polygel nails every now and then. I like it, it's worked out for me so far, but I've seen people using this builder gel stuff, and I wanted to give it a try. So instead of using a polygel base here, I'm doing builder gel. I started with prepped nails, and I applied a gel base coat. I cured that, and then I stuck a nail form on and adjusted it until it looked right. And then it was time for builder gel. I always see people doing this in specific steps, so here I go, fingers crossed. Actually, you guys know that it worked out because my nails are done this way, so. First, I built the tip of the nail, working the gel up to about a third of my nail bed. And then I flash cured that. So I've seen people sometimes right after flash curing the tip, they remove the nail form because it kind of just gets in the way. So you'll see that I try that out. Then I applied a layer all over my nail and the tip, just as if I were doing normal polish. Before curing that, I added a drop of gel, starting at the base and floating it down the middle of my nail to the tip. This stuff self-levels, so it slowly blends in with the rest of the gel, but by doing a thick bead of gel in the middle, it makes a nice apex, I guess? I don't really know nail terminology too well. Anyway, before it flowed down too much, I cured the nail. And here's how it looks. It still needs more shaping, but it's not bad, I think. I cleaned off the tacky layer with alcohol and moved on to the rest of my hand. Anyway, once I had that done for all of my fingers, I shaped the nails up. On some of them, I waited a little bit too long after applying the drop of gel down the middle, so it kind of flowed down and pooled on the sides, which is unfortunate, but thankfully fixable with some extra filing. Once my nails had a nice shape, I started painting the design on. These were definitely inspired by a couple of designs that I've seen, so I'll leave a link to them down below. And I'm just using standard gel polish for this. For the really tiny lines and stuff, I'm using a really thin brush that I had laying around. I finished them up with a nice matte top coat. And then they were done. I love how these things turned out, and dare I say, I might like using builder gel more than polygel. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all of that good stuff. Let me know down below what kind of designs you would do for spooky nails. It's always fun to see how creative everyone is. I hope you guys enjoyed this year's Halloweek as much as I enjoyed making all of these projects. And yeah, I'll see you guys next year for Halloweek, and next week or next week, I'm not really sure, for my next video. As always, thanks so much for watching. Be safe and have a happy Halloween.